The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is not just a high-riding utility vehicle. It is the thoroughbred that breaks every single rule in Maranello's playbook. For decades, the Italian giants swore they would never build an SUV. But looking at this machine, you realize they did not build a truck. They built a four-door supercar that threatens to dethrone the Lamborghini Urus forever. Starting right up front, the aggression is absolute. Ferrari ditched the traditional center grille for a suspended, floating design that channels air directly through the nose. The split-level daytime running lights are tucked deep into the intakes, giving it a predatory squint that looks hungry for the asphalt. Moving around to the profile, the silhouette completely defies the segment. It ignores the boxy shape of its rivals. Instead, you get an incredibly low roofline and a long hood that pushes the cabin back, emphasizing that front mid-engine layout. The suicide rear doors are hidden seamlessly, keeping the body lines uninterrupted and purely sculptural. Swinging round the back, the drama continues. The rear screen is tight and aggressive, sitting above a massive diffuser and those signature quad exhaust tips that scream performance. The taillights are slim and horizontal, echoing the design of the Roma, and they frame a rear end that looks wide, planted, and ready to launch. Stepping inside, the Purosangue rejects the giant center screen trend entirely. Instead, Ferrari created a dual cockpit layout that treats the passenger like a co-pilot. The driver gets a massive digital cluster, while the passenger stares at their own dedicated 10.2-inch display. The materials are world-class, mixing sustainable Alcantara with high-gloss carbon fiber. And forget a rear bench, this is strictly a four-seater with deep buckets that hug you tight, but you won't believe how this beast connects to the road. To handle the immense physics of a vehicle this size, Ferrari went with a massive staggered setup that looks absolutely mean. Up front, it rides on 22-inch forged wheels to sharpen the turn-in. In the rear, you get gigantic 23-inch rims to put the power down. They fill the floating wheel arches perfectly, hiding standard carbon ceramic brakes that provide stopping power massive enough to detach your retinas. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest exotic drops, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Pop the hood, and you find the absolute last of its kind. Ferrari resisted the urge to go hybrid or turbo here. Instead, they gave us the legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. It is mounted way back in the chassis for perfect balance. This masterpiece screams to 8,200 RPM, punishing the tires with 715 horsepower. It hits 60 in just 3.3 seconds, delivering a raw mechanical soundtrack that no electric car can ever replicate. Performance this pure carries a hefty price tag. For the 2026 model year, we expect the Purosangue to start right around $400,000. And once you start ticking boxes for personalized carbon fiber, that number climbs rapidly toward $500,000. This is not just a luxury truck, it is the most practical V12 Ferrari ever made. If you can get an allocation, do not hesitate. Thanks for watching.